Let's head into the volcano. Instant death.
Look at this. Oh my god. Idiotic. What? It feels completely different. It's the same button, but it feels different. That's weird. I also don't know if it's even connected properly. But like I said, the connector is awful. Yeah, I know. Soul Psych Records says, get this joystick. Sanwa JLF. Again, I understand what you're saying, but I don't have hundreds of dollars to spend on a joystick. It sucks. I spent all this money last year on all this shit. You know?
Kind of a hint situation. But
what a pain in my fucking ass. Of course, right? Of course, this has to be my life. This has to be my situation. That nothing works. You know? Of course. Trust me, guys, if I had the money, I would get it right now. If I had the money, I would literally buy another stick right now that's PC, PS5 compatible. But, you know, I'm not made of money. I just don't have it.
now, I know this is kind of a hint situation, but